guys, so today we're going to be test driving a 2013 Hyundai Genesis. Okay, so it is a 2.0 turbo, and it does have one modification, or actually a couple. One of them is a cold air intake. I love this hood right here, it's really nice. So actually he does have some custom wheels. I don't really like custom wheels. They just kind of mess with the car, with the all-around performance. But the car looks pretty good though. Now it is kind of weird, like in the back. I don't know if you can see it really on the camera, but it just looks like the car is super skinny in person. He has a TSR exhaust system, so it's all modified. Let's see if I can so it is a big one. You can definitely hear it. And he's got some, yeah, he's got some shocks that are basically, they don't even exist. As we were driving around, we were like hitting every single bump and we could feel it like insanely. So yeah, don't lower your car all the way to the point where it's like this car that's bouncing everywhere and you're bottoming out. So I'd say my favorite part is the front end, just the hood right there. He's the intercooler. It's kind of a smaller one, but it's pretty nice. So this is the key. It's just what it looks like. It's your standard Hyundai key. It's wireless. It does not have a engine start button though, but you can pop the hood, sound the alarm. You can push this button and a key pull comes out right through the silver piece. So let's see what it looks like inside the car. Oh, so one nice feature though is if you're close to it, you can just push this button and it unlocks or locks your car. It does have electric mirrors. It's got paddle shifters too. I really like that. It helps a lot with a turbo where you can actually control the RPMs with the turbo. Sometimes you'll just hit the gas and it'll start spooling like crazy, and it just sits there spooling if you let off the gas too soon because it has to release. But I love the seats. They're really nice. They just have a really good design and they're very comfortable. Same with the back, they're just really fancy. So this one right here, let me adjust this. Okay, so this one right here does have a sunroof. Let's see what it looks like if we're actually in it. It's pretty cool. You have hands-free calling right here. Cruise control, volume buttons. You can change if it's like FM1, FM2. I'm pretty sure this one has Sirius radio as well. But I do like the design. It's pretty dusty, but it's alright. So you can put your key right there just as an extra spot. You do have quite a bit of space. He's got some random screws sitting around. You got a 12 volt. That's pretty much the gist of that. So over here, really not a whole lot of space. It's pretty compact. It's kind of a smaller car, and they're focused on it being a sports car rather than having all the luxuries that it needs. But it does have a lot of good stuff, like right here, fuel consumption with the gas mileage. Now you got your turbo, the pressure, and the oil temperature. So it does have some cool little things that look cool and are not just your standard things. Can I see the key? All right, so start saying Hyundai. It's pretty neat. I like this though. That's pretty cool. So you just have a few different options right there. The way you control it, actually, yeah, it's touchscreen. That's pretty cool. I like that. Turn the bass up all the way. Turn the treble just a little bit down. That's where I like it. All right. You also have the climate control. Oh, it actually looks like it's not a dual one, so there's just one control. My Hyundai Genesis, I have the sedan, and it has like separate ones for each of us to control how we want it. Okay, USB, auxiliary, another 12 volt. All right, so let's see what it sounds like when you start. Let's turn the radio off though. Okay, yeah, you can definitely hear that. Let's see. I feel like I'm getting out of like a go-kart because it's right on the ground. It's super low. Oh my goodness. Let's see what the engine looks like. All right, RS Turbo. He's got that cool air intake. His turbo is right over, let's see if I can adjust. Yep, right there. That silver piece, right there. That's the turbo, and spits the air through the, or sucks the air in through the cold air intake, and throws it right into the engine. You got your fuse box right here. You got another fuse box over here. Power steering, windshield wiper fluid, oil, brake fluid, all your natural normal stuff, and you got coolant. Okay, I don't really like how heavy the hood is though. The hood is super heavy. It's just way heavier than it really needs to be. I notice when it's idling, it shakes the seat.
Yeah. Let's see how it does uphill.
Look at those mounds. That's so insane. It's the sky. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking so much. Like, this car has horrible shocks.
Horrible.
Like, the whole camera is going up and down like crazy. Oh, wow.
That's how bad the shocks are. Oh my goodness.
Oh my heck.
Like, if you couldn't hear that through the recording.
What was that?
I don't know. I think we hit just a random bump, but the way it hit, it had no shock left. It moved the mirror down.
Wow. Like, that's so insane. It's... Oh my heck. Guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm sure you're getting really annoyed with how shaky this camera is. But yeah, it's a pretty nice car. It corners pretty well. The shocks are really, really bad. But if you get the actual stock version where someone did not lower it, it'll work a lot better than this car. No wonder they are selling it. Ooh, let's watch this turbo. Oh. Ooh, let's do a 0 to 60.
Okay.
Oh my heck.
Oh,
This car is gonna hit like a little bump and just go flying.
I legitimately feel like that.
We're gonna like
It is
fly off a
100%
jump
just-
and like total this car.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see. This is promising. Here on the left, maybe. Pending.
Well,
Is that?
it's a pretty cool neighborhood. Big houses. Huge houses. What is that? Like a no, that's not even a duplex. That's just huge. Holy cow. I was like, okay, so we're hitting like 30, 40. No, we're at 60.
Almost. Yeah.
Almost, yeah. We were at like 55. Oh, that was like a small bump too.
So bad.
For no reason.
All right. This looks good. This looks good.
Stop
Yes.
sign. Oh, you can turn right.
Okay, ready?
0 to 60. Oh, still going.
Up to flipping 80.
I like how your steering wheel is like shaking as you're slowing down. It's like
And it's so off. It's the alignment. That is straight right there. That is straight.
Yeah, I know. I was driving and the steering wheel was like hitting a 15-degree angle. Holy. Wow. And then we hit a dead end. Not quite a dead end. Oh.
That was such a tiny bump.
I really hope the
It was such a
dealert does
bad
not
bump.
watch this video.
It's not our fault that
They're
this
like,
thing
"What the-"
cannot. It has like no shocks whatsoever. Like, this is normal streets. These are normal streets. Not intentionally seeking out.
Oh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so guys, I have a Hyundai Genesis, but mine is a sedan.
And it's so much smoother too.
Oh yeah. Mine actually has shocks, and it still takes off really fast. Spins out when I want to.
0 to 60 right there.
Oh.
I feel like this thing legitimately
Oh,
cannot
cool.
stop. That's great that it stopped, but oh my goodness, look at the mirror.
Oh my.
It fell that much. Just from shocks.
It's so funny. So you can really hear the muffler. I'm driving through this neighborhood a little bit earlier, and I see this old lady. I'm like, oh, here we go. We'll just like try to impress her. Obviously, that's not gonna work. I'm like passing her. I'm like, whoa. Turbo goes and everything. The lady's probably like thinking I'm an idiot. She's like, I'm not impressed, obviously. Turn left. Whoa. Okay. There's so many mountains. Wow. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.